Okay, we're going for a ride. Bike ride to the dump. You guys are all coming with me on my chest rig. Okay. Make sure there's tires are pumped on. I'm gonna go down the road with unpumped tires. Okay. Pump these guys. Alrighty, we got all that done. Everything seems good. Let's do this. Look at my heats. You know. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay. It's gonna be an adventure. Alright guys, looking down. Alright. Let's do this. Ooh. Just brought a sweater. Jacket. It'll be a little chilly ride, folks. Oh. I'm already feeling it on my legs. Not used to this. I've ridden a bike like last year. Whew. Come on, legs. Don't quit out on me yet. Take your time. We'll get there. Eventually. Eventually we'll get there. Okay. Made it down the road for starters. Almost there. Almost, but right now. Oh. Alright. Let's let the gliding part in and just glide along. Oh, oh man. Maybe we should go down to, yeah, let's go down to, so I can get some smokes at the gas station. Hey, that'll save me a walk. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Don't have to go to where we live. We can just go to the store. Probably don't have hotels there, but oh shit, glass. That's glass. There's glass in the road. I better pop my tire. And we'll just buy 2 next. Or 3 next pack. Yeah. Let's get 2 packs only. Alright, we just got 2 packs in next at our store here. Wasn't gonna be as long as the video as I thought it would, but saved me that trip. That's 30 bucks anyway, 15 bucks a pack. So I didn't have to go all the way down the road, which is good. Oh shit, there was glass there. Ooh, fuck. Fucking glass all over the road. Holy man. Wow, everywhere. Wow, everywhere. Nice day for a bike ride, dude. Hey, bro. Oh, nice little bike ride. Awesome. At least they got some smokes. Bunch of cones. Ooh. Fuck, I rode the bike all the way down to the Coogee Bay Road, but whew, my body's not equipped for this. Little bike really good, not bad, but damn, you got a bit of a length. Oh. Oh yeah, we made it home. Oh. Slushy water, slushy. Berry slushy. Grab our keys. There's the one with the yellow in it. Take that off. Let me lock up our bike. You just put that in there. Go. Yeah. Good enough. Oh. And that is our video. Bike ride to the store. Beautiful day though. Yep. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace.